Hello, dear children. As you know that we are dealing with the topic A Long Walk to Freedom by Nelson Mandela. Dear children, this is an autobiography of Nelson Mandela, and here he talks about his struggle that he had when he fought against the apartheid policy, and also about the day when he took an oath as the first black president of South Africa. So, dear children, let us continue the story. It is from these comrades in the struggle that I learned the meaning of courage. Here, Nelson Mandela tells us that he learned the meaning of courage, the meaning of bravery from his comrades, from his friends. These were the people who were supporting him when he was fighting against the apartheid policy. Time and again, I have seen men and women risk and give their lives for an idea. Time and again is an adverb phrase. It means frequently. He says that frequently he had seen men and women of his community taking risk and giving their lives for an idea, means here for the freedom of black people. I have seen men stand up to attacks and torture without breaking, showing a strength and resilience that defies the imagination. He further says that he had seen the men, especially the men, standing up. Standing up means here confronting, facing the attacks and torture of white skinned people, and they faced it without breaking their courage, and they showed their strength and resilience. Dear children, resilience means the ability to deal with any kind of hardship that defies the imagination, means they performed beyond the imagination. Okay, I learned that courage was not the absence of fear but the triumph over it. He also learned that courage doesn't mean that you have no fear. It means to overcome that fear. Okay, triumph means to overcome. The brave man is not he who does not feel afraid, but he who conquer that fear. Here he says that a brave man is not without fear, but conquers he conquers that fear. A brave man has the ability to deal with the fear, so he conquers the fear. No one is born hating another person because of the color of his skin or his background or his religion. He further says that naturally a person is not born with hate because of the color of his skin, his background, family background, or his religion in which he or she believes in. Okay, people must learn to hate. He means to say, and he says that people are taught to hate one another. And if they can learn to hate, they can be taught to love. He means to say that instead of teaching people to hate one another, they must be taught to love one another. For love comes more naturally to the human heart than its opposite, because love is a natural quality of a human beings, and it comes naturally than hate. Even in the grimmest times in prison, when my comrades and I were pushed to our limits. Pushed to our limits means pushed to the last point in our ability to bear pain, because they were oppressed there by the white skinned people. They were tortured in the prison. Grimmest means toughest, saddest time. Okay. And here he talks about the time when he would see a glimmer. Glimmer means a shine, a point of humanity, a shine of humanity in one of the guards. There also he saw a sign of humanity in one of the guards, and that helped him to reassure his uh, fight and also keep me going, means it encourages him to continue his fight against the apartheid policy. He further says man's goodness is a flame that can be hidden but never extinguished. He says that if a man is full of kindness, means shows kindness towards you, the kindness remains like a flame which can be hidden for some time but never extinguished. But it can't be extinguished means blown out and put out. Here Nelson Mandela means to say that there was a guard who helped them a little bit, and that was a kind of boost for him and for his friends to continue their fight. And he says that if a person is having a quality of goodness, that is, he compares that goodness to a flame that can't be extinguished. Okay, children? So that's all for today's class. Rest we will discuss in our next class. Till then, thank you.